To remove the CMOS battery, you just simply push this metal lock backwards by using a forceps blunt. And then you can use the forceps blunt to lift up the CMOS battery. It is so simple like that. Carefully replace a new CMOS battery back to its slot. Remember to observe the orientation of the CMOS battery, the positive and negative sides of the battery before you do anything. Usually, the positive side will face upwards and the negative side battery is face downwards. Insert the CMOS battery into the position as shown in this tutorial video, then use one of your fingers gently push down on the battery into the holder. Remember, do not use excessive force to push down on the battery. There is no need, brother and sister.